Hello everyone. Today we will talk about your first class with WileyPlus. WileyPlus is Wiley's research-based online environment for effective teaching and learning. In WileyPlus, you can access a wide range of content, including self-study tools, online textbooks, and assessment questions. You can also use WileyPlus for watching videos and narrated presentations, practice tests, and more. Let's start with logging into WileyPlus.com. I will post the link to the WileyPlus website in the comments. You will have to create an account if you don't have one. Fill out the form and you are good to go. If you see a security capture during this process, follow the instructions. Once you are in, click the Add Course button on your dashboard. Here's where you will enter the 6-digit code provided. Alternatively, you can look up your course by its name or the instructor's name. When you find your class, select it. Next, you will be asked to enter a registration code that you purchased. If you haven't had a chance to purchase it yet, there is a 14-day free trial. For this video, I used the Intermediate Accounting 1 course. I will post the course code for my students on the Cyber campus. It will look like a sample code on the screen. All of your WileyPlus course content can be found in Wiley Course Resources. Here you will find your eTextbook, practice questions, study resources such as videos, narrated presentations, applied skills, and CPA exam videos. There are also crossword puzzles, flashcards, and PowerPoint presentations. Now let's take a look at your textbook. On your first time accessing your eTextbook, you will be asked to log in to VitalSource, a separate account from WileyPlus. If you don't have an account with them, you have to create one. You only need to log in once to have access to your eTextbook. I will post the link to VitalSource in the comments to this video. Your eTextbook is a one-to-one replica of the physical textbook. If you are asked to refer to a specific page, you can do it by navigating through the table of contents or by typing the page number at the bottom of the screen. You can make highlights and take notes just like in a physical book. And you can also listen to the text from the place you selected. You don't need to log into your WileyPlus course whenever you want to read your book. You can download the VitalSource Bookshelf application through your computer or mobile device and read your textbook when you want. Whether it is taking practice tests or completing homework assignments, WileyPlus makes it easy. After clicking on the assignment, you will be prompted to launch the assignment, and it will open in a new window. On the overview screen, you will have all the info you need: the name of the assignment, the total number of questions, the total points available, whether or not there's a time limit, and the due dates. Additionally, you can see what content is covered on the assignment and the grading policies associated with the assignment. Before you start the assignment, you can review the questions on the Questions tab. Once you have started the assignment, you will have a certain number of attempts to get each question correct. In this class, we will have 50 points for all homework assignments, and 3 attempts will be allowed for each question. Once you have entered or selected your answer, click the Submit Answer button. If you are correct, you can move on. You can try again if you need to correct it and have more than one attempt. The example on the screen is from a sample class. Just want to show you what correct and incorrect answers look like. If you're unsure of your answer, click on the Save for Later button to return to it at another time. You can navigate from question to question by clicking on the navigation arrows or directly clicking from the question list. Once you have finished the assignment or are done working on it for the day, you can exit the assignment by clicking on the back arrow at the top left-hand side of the assignment to return to the overview screen, where you will be able to track your progress and what your current score is. If, for any reason, you are concerned that your grade is not accurate in the gradebook, you can always resend your grade from the assignment to your gradebook by clicking on the Sync link. Note that WileyPlus has a 24/7 technical support team available through the live chat on the support site. Visit wpsupport.wiley.com, where you can search for help articles and videos, and contact support by clicking on the chat icon at the bottom right corner of every page on this site. Fill out the form and you will be connected to a person. I will post the link to the website in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you are notified when we release more videos like this. I also have several playlists that you might find helpful, such as financial accounting and intermediate accounting. Wait until the end of the video to see the links to the playlists. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all again in the next video.